This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Teacher's Day greeting card. First, gather your essential supplies. You'll need colorful paper, a good pair of scissors, and some reliable glue. Don't forget decorative items like glitter, stickers, or markers to add a personal touch. Make sure you also have a ruler and a pencil for precise measurements, ensuring your card looks neat and professional. Now, let's start building your card. Take a piece of cardstock, perhaps 5 inches by 11 inches, and fold it perfectly in half to form the base. A crisp fold makes a card look professional. Use scissors to trim any uneven edges, giving your card a clean finish. Then, cut out some smaller shapes from different colored paper to use as decorations. It's time to get creative. Carefully glue your pre-cut shapes onto the front of your card, arranging them in a pleasing design. Next, grab your markers and write a heartfelt message or draw some fun designs. You can add extra sparkle by applying glitter or stickers, making your card truly unique and special for your teacher. Finally, personalize your card with a thoughtful message inside. Express your gratitude and share a specific memory or lesson that made an impact. Sign your name clearly to show your appreciation. Remember to let all the glue and ink dry completely before you present your handmade Teacher's Day card. Your teacher will surely cherish this thoughtful gesture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.